inventions. Look around you. You can see different things that are useful and make things easier. In this lesson, you will learn about scientific inventions that make our lives convenient and comfortable. They are made by scientists who have special ways of making and acting. The following are scientific attitudes and values. Number 1, curiosity. Scientists love to learn. They do not know. Number 2, open-mindedness. They are ready to learn new things. Number 3, persistence. They keep on working hard. Number 4, collaboration. They help each other and learn from each other. Number 5, creativity. Scientists think of new things, ideas, and methods. Number 6, critical thinking. They think carefully and check facts to be reliable. Some of foreign scientists are Alexander Graham Bell, invented the telephone. Thomas Alva Edison invented the light bulb. The Wright brothers invented the airplane. Charles Babbage invented the computer. Some of Filipino scientists are Angela Alcala, invented artificial coral reef. Fede Del Mundo invented the bamboo incubator. Gregorio Y. Zara invented the videophone. Julian Banton invented the biodiesel. Importance of scientific inventions. Number 1, improved health care. Vaccines and medicines are created to treat illness. Number 2, improved communication, phones and internet connection for people. Number 3, easy transportation. Travel is faster and easier by cars, airplanes, and trains. 4, develop education. Books and computers are made for better education. Number 5, easier work. Machines help us in our jobs. Number 6, provision of entertainment. Television, video games are created for relaxation. Number 7, a safer world. Seat belts, cameras, smoke detectors help to protect us. Overall, scientific inventions make our lives easier and healthier, enjoyable, and help the world better.